Stick figure comedy animations are absolutely exploding online right now. If you've been scrolling TikTok or YouTube Shorts, you've definitely seen them. Tiny stick characters, big laughs, millions of views. Some creators are getting insane traffic just by turning funny comedy moments into simple animated videos. No cameras, no studio, no stress. And yes, they're making real money doing it. At first, I thought, okay, maybe one creator just got lucky. But nope, this is a full-blown trend. Dozens of channels are crushing it. And the best part? You can do this too, for free, in minutes. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create your own viral stick figure comedy animation step by step, even if you've never animated anything in your life. Before we jump in, smash that subscribe button, drop a like, and let's make some magic. Alright, let's roll. Step 1. Find a funny comedy clip. First, we need a great comedy moment. Open TikTok and search for stand-up comedy. You'll see endless funny clips, awkward stories, savage jokes, and why is this so true moments. Scroll a little, watch a few clips. When something makes you laugh out loud, that's your winner. Keep it short, punchy, and full of personality. Once you find your favorite clip, copy the video link. We'll use it in the next step. Step 2. Extract the audio. Now let's grab the audio. Open any TikTok video downloader website. Just search it on Google. There are plenty. Paste your video link. Click Download. Choose the MP3 option. Save the audio somewhere easy to find. That voice file will power your animation. Easy. Step 3. Create your animated character. Now the fun begins. Go to Adobe Express Animation. Just Google that phrase and open the first result. Click Animate Characters. Then hit Create Now. You'll see multiple characters. Pick the one that matches your vibe. Funny, weird, confident, whatever fits your style. You can resize the character, move it around, zoom in, zoom out, and frame your scene like a real stage performance. Don't worry about perfection. We'll polish it soon. Step 4. Design your comedy stage. Let's build a stage for our superstar stick figure. Go to Google Images and search Cartoon Stage with Audience. Pick a nice-looking image and download it. Now, open Gemini. Upload that stage image and type this prompt. Add shadow silhouettes of people sitting in the audience facing the stage. This makes your crowd look more realistic and gives that packed comedy club vibe. Download the final image. Go back to Adobe Express. Set your canvas size. Choose YouTube and select 9:16 if you're posting shorts. Upload your custom stage as the background. Resize and position your character so everything looks balanced and clean. Now, upload your comedy audio. Adobe will automatically sync the mouth movement and body movement to the voice. Yes, your stick figure is now alive. Save the animation clip. Bonus, add a microphone for extra realism. Every comedian needs a mic. Search on Google, cartoon microphone with stand. Download one you like. Open CapCut. Import your animation video and the microphone image. Click the microphone image. Tap Remove Background and choose Auto Removal. Boom. Clean cut. Resize the mic and place it perfectly in front of your character. Add captions using CapCut templates if you want extra engagement. Once everything looks good, export your video. Final wrap. And just like that, you've created a professional-looking stick figure comedy animation in minutes. No camera, no studio, no headache. Just creativity and smart tools. Post it on Shorts, TikTok, or Reels and start testing what works. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment which comedian you're animating next. Trust me, this niche is only getting bigger. Let's ride the wave.